perfect fried rice with no stir frying. Just dump it in and push start. Fluffy, savory, Japanese fried rice. $150 of rice. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the rinsed rice thoroughly. $30 of green onion. Chop finely. $40 of surimi, crab sticks. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Four slices of ham. Cut into small pieces. Put the drained rice that has been sitting for a few minutes into the rice cooker pot. 200 ml of water. 2 teaspoons of Chahan for your preferred bouillon or stock. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. A dash of salt. A dash of white pepper. A dash of ajinomoto. It's optional. Mix well. Add the cut ham. Add the cut surimi crab sticks. Spread them out evenly. Once the pot is set in the rice cooker, press the start button on the regular cooking mode. While you wait, beat the eggs. 2 eggs. Once the rice is cooked, add all of the beaten egg to the rice cooker pot. Add the chopped green onion. Mix well. Press the keep warm button and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. Mix well and it's done. Serve as dessert. In Japanese restaurant, dome plating is common. 炊飯器で作るチャーハンでした。Enjoy!